Hello students, welcome to my channel CWC Chemistry with Concepts. I have just uploaded a video regarding carbocations, free radicals and carbanions. In this video, I am telling you about the stability of these three intermediates which are formed after the cleavage of covalent bond. The first is free radical. We have seen three types of free radicals. One was 3 degree, other was 2 degree and the third one was 1 degree. Which of these is stable, we will see in this video. The first one is 3 degree. I told you that a carbon with a free radical carbon, if it is attached to 3CH3, it is known as 3 degree carbon. This is also obvious to you that CH3 is having plus I effect. Plus I means it has the capability or capacity of giving electrons to carbon. Now what happens when 3 CH3 are attached to this carbon and both of these 3 are giving electrons to carbon? This carbon is having a single electron. It means it can form only a bond only when it is having 2 electrons. These 3 are giving electrons to carbon, which is having a deficiency of electron. When we count the electron of this carbon, we will see that it is having 7 electrons. Just count it: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and this one 7. It means it is electron deficient, and these 3 CH3 which are attached to this carbon are giving the electrons to this carbon and just helping him to overcome his electron deficiency. Therefore it is more stable. 3 degree is more stable. And what happens in case of 2 degree? Just say this is 2 degree carbon radical. In this this is also a deficient carbon with having just having 7 electrons, but it is having only 2 CH3 to give. CH3 is having plus I effect. This is having only 2 CH3 to give electron. So its electron deficiency is not that much fulfilled as fulfilled in case of this, because it is having 3 CH3. Then it is next one to be stable. Third one is this one, which is having only 1 CH3 and 2 H attached to it. Again, this is the carbon with 7 electrons. It just wants electrons to fulfill its deficiency, but there is only 1 CH3 to give electrons. So it is the third one to be stable. The more stable free radical is 3 degree. Then 2 degree, this is 2 degree. I am writing again here. And this is 1 degree. 3 degree is more stable. I am just talking about free radical. 2 degree is the next one and the 1 degree is the third one or least stable in case of free radicals. Now see carbocations. 3 degree carbocation. This is the 3 degree carbocation. This is the 2 degree carbocation and this is 1 degree carbocation. We are just seeing the stability of these 3 carbocations. Which one is more stable, the 3 degree or 2 degree or 1 degree? This carbon is having plus sign. It means it is electron deficient. It has less electron. Again you can count over here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 electron it is having. The 3 CH3 attached to this carbon, they have the capacity of giving electrons because they are having plus I effect, inductive effect. Plus I effect is known as inductive effect. I will tell you about this effect in another of my videos that I will upload. You can see over there what is plus I effect and how does this effect is produced. The 3 CH3 which are giving electron to carbon makes this carbon electron efficient. Previously it was electron deficient, but after providing electrons by these 3H3 it became electron efficient. Its electron deficiency is overcome. The same happens in this case. It is attached with 2 CH3. Electron deficiency is overcome also here, but to a less extent as compared to this one. The third one, it is having only 1 CH3. The electron deficiency is overcome, but to a less extent as compared to 3 degree, 2 degree. So 3 degree is more stable in case of carbocation than 2 degree and then 1 degree. The third one is carbanion. Talking about the stability of carbanion. This is carbanion, 3 degree carbanion. What happens in case of carbanion? Which one is more stable? This is a negative sign on it. It is 3 degree carbanion, 2 degree carbanion. This is 2 degree and this is 1 degree carbanion attached with a single CH3. Now be careful. The thing that happened with 2 free radicals and carbocation, it doesn't happen over here. This carbon, it is having minus sign on it. It means it is having extra electron. The 3 CH3 that are attached to this carbon, they are also giving electron to him. what actually happens, the electron density over this carbon keeps on increasing, and the electron repulsion, the electron that are provided by these three CH3 and the electron that is already available on it, there is a repulsion between these electrons and it will become unstable. It is having 2 CH3. Again, these 2 CH3 will give electron to this carbon and increases the density of electron over this carbon. But the electron density that is increased by these 2 carbon is less as compared to these 3 carbon. The 3 carbon will increase electron density more as compared to these 2 CH3. The repulsion that we will see in 2 degree carbon is less as compared to that of 3 degree. Again, in 1 degree carbon, we are saying that only one CH3 is attached to this carbon. It will give electron to this carbon, but lesser electron as compared to these 2 CH3 and these 3 CH3. Therefore, the electron density that increases on this carbon is less as compared to that of 2 degree and 3 degree. So, it is more stable. 1 degree is more stable than 2 degree and then 3 degree. Therefore, we see that the stability in case of free radical and carbocation is same, 3 degree, 2 degree and 1 degree. But in case of carboanion, it is 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree. I hope students that you like this method. Please share to your friends and subscribe to my channel for further notifications. Thank you, students.